Welcome to the Christian Hardscaper. If you're subscribed and you've already seen a lot of these plow videos, thank you for your support and welcome back. To those who are not subscribed and you're into plow videos like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button for a lot of videos like this. This blizzard of 2022 here in Massachusetts really provided a long day of work and a lot of content for my channel. So make sure you check out the channel and see all the parts from this day. There certainly was a lot of them, a lot of snow to push around. But I guess nonetheless, let's just hop right into this video, part 2 of our night plowing session, and there will be one more to come. So again, hit that subscribe button and be notified when I upload some more videos. Thank you. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I just wanted to touch base on a few comments and questions that I get pretty often. I actually had one guy comment on my my video about, you know, why'd you spend so much money on a real nice truck just to put a cheap plow on it? And you know, I guess my response to that is, one, you're just silly, and two, you know, if you've never used these Fisher minute mount plows, then I guess that's a big reason why you would say something foolish like that. These plows are an extremely solid product, tested and true. Minute mount plows have been around for so many years, and they are absolutely everywhere up here in New England. Extremely easy to get parts for, extremely easy to maintain, extremely easy to operate, and you know, when you're doing residential driveways, 90% of the time a V-plow is just overkill. You're spending money that you don't need to spend on a plow, and you're not getting much from it. On a big driveway, you know, people say too, you know, the V-plow, you can V it and then go down the center of the driveway and then push the sides off, and it saves so much time. Well, guess what? You can leave your blade straight, go down the middle of the driveway, and then push the sides off in the exact same amount of time. So, you know, you can get a blade like this if your truck's hooked up for a Fisher minute mount plow. You can get a blade like this for $1,500. So if you think you're really a lot smarter than people plowing with this because you spent $6,000 or $7,000 on your plow, well, some people are just going to tell you that I think you just overpaid for what you do. You know, I see people out there that have 15 to 20 accounts and they're plowing with this $7,000 or $8,000 plow that takes a lot more maintenance, and you know, it takes a lot more time to make your money back on it than a guy that has a $1,500 plow in his truck and is making more money than you. So you know, I definitely agree that if you're plowing a commercial lot, a V-plow is definitely helpful and is a good investment. But for someone like me who has 38 residential accounts with no commercial, a V-plow to me is just overkill. You really don't need it. It's not necessary. You can get a lot of work done with these straight blade plows, save a lot of money on purchasing them, save a lot of money and time on maintenance, And you know what? They're just extremely easy to operate. You leave the thing, turn to the right or left, whichever way you go, and it's up and down. Very, very simple to operate. That's what saves you time in my eyes through a 28-hour storm. Not having to click 100 buttons and change your direction. I'm only plowing residential, so that is the reason why I plow with a straight blade or a cheap plow. You know, in in some of you guys' words, but you know, in my opinion, you don't need to go out there and flaunt all the money you got. You actually have to make wise decisions and put your money in the right places. So that is why I plow with a Fisher Minute mount too. Alright guys, a little trick for backblading here. So I got a little bit more to scrape. So I'm gonna pull up and I'm gonna back drag the excess, the bulk of it, and then you're gonna see me drive forward again. So you can see there's a lot of snow packed down still. That's just the way it goes with back dragging sometimes. So you pull up and then you push the snow forward and you scrape it up, and then you back drag again. That's going to really help you clean up all the packed down snow that you couldn't get on your first back drag. And it may take a little bit more time, but it's definitely a good trick for good quality snow plowing up against a garage like this. Alright, another one done. Look at these piles, Trav. They're taller than you, man. It's going good today, guys. It's going good. I think we're on our, no, we're past 12, I think, aren't we?
I don't know.
I think it's got to be almost 7.
We did 664. We did
Oh,
the 4.
no, I meant hours.
Oh.
I think we're at...
I thought you meant house.
No, we're at a lot of houses. We've done a lot of
We're
houses.
on at least...
Sorry for cutting out on you guys right there. My battery actually died on my GoPro, but me and my nephew were just discussing how many hours we had plowed, and we were at about 16 hours straight at this point. The storm brought us to 28 hours of plowing total, and between 15 and 18 inches in the areas we plowed here in Massachusetts. I was very grateful for this storm because up until this point we really only had 2 storms, which I did get some video of on my channel. But it was really nothing too much, and it's we were getting to the end of January, so it was kind of rough for all us plow guys. We've been waiting for snow like this, and we were happy that it came. So again, if you're subscribed and you watch the daytime videos, I appreciate the support. If you're not subscribed and you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that button and check out the daytime videos and more nighttime videos to come.
The blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground,